Hello student, today I brought a video on the topic variation in acceleration due to gravity due to the location. Last video we discussed about how the variation of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth. It changes at the pole and at the equator. Now the variation in acceleration due to gravity due to the location when it is above the surface of the earth or when it is below the surface of the earth. How the acceleration due to gravity g changes we will discuss in this video. Here it is given that in this slide variation acceleration due to gravity due to altitude at some certain height h, how the acceleration due to gravity it changes we will discuss in this slide. It is given here. It is the earth, radius of earth is r here, and it is h is a altitude at this position at height h. What is the value of g here at the height of h from the surface of earth we have to calculate, that is the gh. Gh is the acceleration due to gravity at altitude h, and here at the surface of the earth the g is, that is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth on the surface of the earth. We will compare the g, h and g in this slide like that. We have the g m. Gm is the gravitational constant, and m is the mass of the earth, here mass of the earth, and r is the radius of the earth, and g is the acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth. Now the first equation shows that is g is equal to, we know that g is equal to here gm, the gravitational constant, m, and r square. It is the basic expression, r square. R is the radius of the earth. Now we have to compare g and gh in this video, in this slide. Now here gm, when the distance between the center of the earth and the position location of the object, which is at the h height from the earth surface. Now is equal to here r is increases. Now distance of the two object increases here. Now gm is equal to r plus h square, and here gh. It is the gh according to the expression. Here gh is the acceleration due to the gravity at a point at height h. Now equation 1 and 2, and to compare the equation 1 dividing we get here g and gm divided. Now r square g acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is equal to r plus h square gh. Gh is the acceleration due to gravity at the height of h. Now it is equal to, now if you divide this equation like that, g, h and g, now we get here r square here r square gh by h, here r square by r plus r square. Now here if we take common r here from this denominator, we get here 1 r into 1 plus h by r square. Now here r square cancel, r square and r square cancel here r square and r square cancel. We get here gh by g. Gh the acceleration at the above the earth, and g is the acceleration at the surface. We have compared how the acceleration due to gravity changes due to the location at a height of h. Now gh by g here is equal to here 1 plus h by r. H is the height altitude, at the location, and h is the radius of the 1 plus power to the power minus 2. Here is the binomial expression. It is the higher classes, but here when you expand the binomial of the negative exponent, we get the value of like that. Here, expanding the binomially and neglecting the terms of the higher power r by h, we get here gh by g is equal to 1 minus twice h by r. When expanding the binomial equation with the negative exponent, and where h by r is the highest power, that is neglected, I will get here 1 minus twice h by r. Now gh, it is the gh the acceleration due to gravity at a height at above the surface of the earth of height h. Gh is equal to g into 1 minus twice h by r. Here the expression, we can easily find the acceleration due to gravity above the earth's surface at a height of h. Gh is equal to g is the acceleration due to gravity at the earth's surface, and we multiply by 1 minus twice h r, we get the variation of the acceleration at the height. This is an expression for the acceleration due to gravity at a small height h from the surface of the earth. This expression shows the acceleration due to gravity decreases as we move away from the surface of the earth. That is the basic expression here. Now, in the next slide, we discuss about how the weight of a body at a height changes, and what is the loss of the weight of the body at a height. We can easily find out here. H is the weight of a body is mg. Mg is the mass of the body. G is the acceleration due to the gravity at the surface. The mass of the body at the earth's surface is mg here. Mass of a body at the earth's surface is mg, and the mass of a body at a height above the earth's surface at a height h is equal to mgh. Putting the value here, mg minus gh is equal to mg into 1 minus twice h by r, that is we discussed find in the last slide. Here gh is equal to g into 1 by twice h by r, we get here, putting the value, neglecting the taking the mgh common, we get a 1 minus 1 and plus, here minus plus here twice h by r, and cancelling the 1 minus 1 here, cancelling, we get here mg into twice h by r. H is the height of the place above the earth's surface. Now the at the height of h from the earth's surface, the loss of weight of an object becomes like that, 2 into mgh by r. This expression gives the weight of the object at a height of h from the earth's surface. Next slide, we discuss about how the variation in acceleration due to the gravity due to the depth. Very important, when you go down in the earth, suppose that we go into the earth surface, digging down, then how the acceleration due to gravity is changes. Acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth is given by, we know that acceleration due to gravity is given by g is equal to gm bar. So the basic expression for the acceleration due to gravity. Now rho is the density of the materials of the earth. Now we know that the mass is equal to volume into density. So the mass of the earth may be expressed in the term of the volume of the earth's surface is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is the volume of the earth, and when the volume of the earth is multiplied by density, that is the rho, we get the mass of the earth. Mass of the earth in the term of 4 by 3 pi r square is the volume of the earth, into rho is the density of the mass of the in the term of expression. Now we get here m is equal to 4 by 3 r pi r square cube p. It is the volume of the earth and p is the density. Now the mass of the earth. Substituting in the equation for g, we get G is equal to mg r square. Now G and R is remain as it is, but m is substituted by the value 4 by 3 pi r cube here, 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. We get here r cube r square is cancelled here, G 4 by 3 is constant here, 4 by 3 pi, and here GRP. It is the accretion due to gravity in the term of density, in the term of radius of the earth, in the term of G. It may be written as. Now, G is equal to 4 by 3 pi GRP. It is the second equation. Now, in the next slide, we get another types of here. Here, suppose it is the earth and radius of the earth is R, and we go down in the earth at a depth of D here. Now, at this position we would like to find the GD, what is the accretion due to gravity at this point below the earth's surface at a depth of D, we would like to find it. Now, let the body be taken to the depth D below the surface of the earth, then the accretion due to gravity GD at the depth D below of the surface is given by like that here. GD may be expressed in the term of here. GD is equal to 4 by 3, that is given G for the surface of the earth. GD is equal to 4 by 3 R, 4 by 3 pi G, and R is changed here, R minus T. R is the radius of the, D is the depth at which we go down in the surface of the below the surface of the, and is the radius of the density of the earth materials here 3. Dividing the equation, it is GD is the accretion due to gravity at the depth below the earth surface, and G is the accretion due to gravity at the surface of the, and compare the equation like that. Dividing the GD by G we get here, and 4 by 3 pi G is cancelled, and here density of G also cancelled. We get ultimate value here R minus D by R is equal to, we get here 1 minus D by R. D is the depth below the earth surface. Now, here GD is equal to G into 1 minus G by R. It is the expression. We can compare the accretion due to the gravity below the earth surface at a depth of D, GD is equal to G into 1 minus D by R. This is an expression for the accretion due to gravity at a depth D below the earth surface of the earth. This expression shows accretion due to gravity decreases as we move down into the earth. At the center of the earth, D is equal to R. Hence, accretion due to gravity at the center of the earth, here becomes 0. Here it becomes 0. Here, if it becomes 0, then the accretion due to the gravity at the center of the earth, here at the center of the earth, accretion due to gravity becomes 0, as R minus D is equal to 0. So we get here 0 accretion at the center of the earth. But when you move below the surface of the earth, the accretion due to gravity also decreases at this rate. Next video we discuss about how the weight of a body changes when it moves on the moon. How the accretion due to gravity and accretion due to the moon is related, we are going to discuss in the next slide. Thank you very much.